What's up, everybody? And you're here. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by, checking out what we're doing. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of work into the Skyline. So there's a slight misfire whenever the car is cold. When we were at the dealer, because of time, time schedule was really tight. Me picking up the car with everything going on in the country with COVID-19 and whatnot, did not give them the time to actually fix everything that they had to do with the car. So the diagnosis was the coil number 6, which is the one that is the firewall. It's misfiring. So what I'm doing, I'm going ahead and replace them all, and this is what I got. Let me show you. We will be replacing all the coils. They came in, actually they were supposed to come in through FedEx Monday. Today is Friday. They were supposed to come in Monday. FedEx truck came by, I don't know what happened. Emailed the seller. They didn't know what, because it said deliver, but they were not delivered at the house. And then 3 days later, the local USPS truck show up with them. You're there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the tools to get everything set up so we can go ahead and replace not just number 6, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace them all. Let's get it. Okay, so there are only 2 things needed to get the coils out. Phillip head and this little guy right here. Yep. So there's gonna be a lot of background noise. My neighbor is pressure washing his patio from the patio. So I'm gonna do little talking, and I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera so you guys can see, the process. That's me doing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking things out. Alright, so the first one is out, and I will show the difference between the two. Old one, the new one, exact same thing. So I was completely unaware that between 93 to 94, the RB25s, they have what is called a Series 1. 95 up to 98, they have a Series 2, which is what this is. And the coils have to be for Series 2. You gotta be specific whenever you're buying them. If not, you could potentially end up damaging your engine more than you will do any help whenever replacing. So if you have a 95 and newer, make sure that you order Series 2 or you're going to be in more trouble. So I'm going to go ahead and install this one, and I'm going to try turning the car on and see if it was actually number 6. I mean, whether it was just 6 alone or not, like I said, I went ahead and bought all 6 coils. So I mean, they know ain't gonna be no guesswork. But I'm gonna go ahead and try this one on, and then let's see if it actually help. Okay. Okay, so here comes the moment of truth. Let's see if this is gonna help. I'm gonna make sure there's nothing gonna fall in the engine. Let's see. Oh, right there. Everything looks okay. Let's turn this thing on. I'm gonna close the door so we can talk. So every time I turn it on, there will be a slight vibration. You can tell it was misfiring. It will normally go away. Okay, go. It will normally go away after once the car warmed up, and it will go and come back and whatnot. But let's see. Okay. That was it. Oh man, it's your purse. That's real good. That is real good. Good stuff. I'm happy. It was number 6, but I'm gonna go ahead and change them all. Like I said, I went ahead and got them all, and most of yeah, she gotta make sure she says hi, whoever that is. Most of the time, y'all know, if one goes out, more than likely another one is gonna fall behind it. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and replace them all, and I'm gonna go ahead and step out and keep going. All right, so we have done 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do this one, and I'm not gonna do that one today because I have to take this thing off. I'm gonna do that probably over the weekend. I got other things to do today, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this one done. That'll be 5 out of 6. Leave me with 1 left. There is 1 bolt on number 6 that wanted to act crazy. Let me see if I can get back there. That one and almost stripped on me, but it didn't, so I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna give me another bolt, and then whenever I do the last one, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the last bolt. But I mean, that's it. One more thing that I'm gonna try to do, I got a different diverter valve. I'm gonna see if it's the same thing as this one, and I'm gonna see if I can go ahead and replace that right now. But let me go ahead and knock out this last one. Well, I will not be able to do that one either. It's really tight. I can get no leverage. It's got the same kind of bolt, so I can't even use the screwdriver on it. Oh well, I'm gonna have to leave the last 2 for a later day. Let me go get my diverter valve. Okay, so it's completely different. I was trying to be fast and go ahead and replace it while I'm doing a little bit, but I'm just gonna wait whenever I do my entire new setup and just let it be the way it is. This is gonna be it for today. I'll get to them the last 2 coils later. Peace.